Want to know how to let Cursor AI explain your code using bullet points? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, bullet point explanation helps a lot in codes like this. So I have this small code right here. Now, since we are analyzing the code and not modifying it, we need to head towards the chatbot. So for that, just simply select the entire pod. And here you should be seeing two options. You can select add to chat or Ctrl+L and you should be right here. Now your file has been selected as well, and then just simply type in this. Now just simply select enter, and now once you selected enter, as you can see right here, your code should start working, and now it should explain you the code logic by bullet points, as you can see. Now you can just simply follow up or just simply send voice notes as well regarding your choice. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.